Great morning, students. We are reading the lesson The Fun They Had. This lesson is written by Isaac Asimov, and this lesson is set in future. This lesson is telling us about future, which type of school would be there in future. In 150 after 157 years ago, which type of school would be there? It is telling to us today. And now there are two characters, Margie and Tommy. They both are talking about the book, a book which Tommy found. He was showing to Margie, and Margie didn't believe that, and Margie didn't like school. That's why she was saying, "How can people write about school?" So we have done up to six passages. Now we are going to read passage 7. Yes, a man is not smart enough. When Tommy was saying to her that a man was the teacher for them in the old days school, then Margie said, "A man is not smart enough. A man is not smart enough to be a teacher." Then Tommy said, "Sure he is." Tommy was saying that sure he is. A man may be smart enough. A man is a teacher. My father knows as much as my teachers. My father knows as much as my teachers. So my father knows much about teachers. He knows almost as much. And my father knows much about teachers. I can bet you. I betcha. Bet you. Margie was not prepared to dispute that. Margie was not prepared to dispute that. Margie was not ready to discuss, was not debate on this topic. So she said, "I would not want a strange man in my house to teach me." And she said that I do not want a strange man. Strange man, who is that strange man? A strange man, a teacher who came to my house to teach me. I would not allow him to come in my house. And Tommy screamed with laughter. Tommy then laughed. "You don't know much, Margie. Margie, you don't know much about teachers. The teacher didn't live in the house. Teacher didn't come to our house to teach us. They had a special building and all kids went there. They had a special building. Who had a special building? Teacher had a special building, and all kids, all children, all students have to go there to learn things, to study. And all the kids learn the same thing. And all the kids, all the students, all the children learn the same thing. Sure, if they were the same age. Mean to say, if a 8-year students, he will be in the same class, he will be in the first, second or third class. So all 8-year students will be in second or third class. So in this passage, what is the writer saying? और मार्गी और जो टॉमी है वो क्या कह रहे हैं? मार्गी ने बताया कि एक आदमी है, एक टीचर, एक फिजिकल टीचर, एक आदमी जो है वो टीचर हुआ करता था. तो मार्गी कहती है कि मैं तो अपने घर में किसी टीचर्स को ना आने दूं, अपने घर में किसी अजनबी को ना आने दूं. तो फिर टॉमी हंसता है, मुस्कुराता है, कहता है कि टॉमी, सॉरी मार्गी, ऐसा नहीं होता है. टीचर्स किसी के घर नहीं आते हैं, बल्कि टीचर्स एक बिल्डिंग में जाते हैं. उनके पास एक स्पेशल बिल्डिंग होती थी जहाँ पर सभी बच्चे पहुँचते थे और सभी बच्चों को टीचर्स पढ़ाता था. सभी बच्चों को एक ही चीज़ पढ़ाई जाती थी जो बच्चे एक एज ग्रुप के होते थे. नेक्स्ट, बट माई मदर सेज a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind. Yes, but my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girls it teaches, and that each kid has to be taught differently. So now Margie said, what? But my mother says a different thing. What do mother says? My mother was saying that a teacher has to be adjusted. Mean a teacher, which teacher? A computer has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches, and that each kid has to be taught differently. तो उसकी मम्मा कहती है कि मेरी मम्मा तो बताती है कि जो टीचर होता है उसको एडजस्ट करना पड़ता है, बच्चे के माइंड के अकॉर्डिंग एडजस्ट होता है, और वो बच्चा के लड़का है या लड़की उसके हिसाब से या बच्चे के माइंड के अकॉर्डिंग टीचर्स को एडजस्ट किया जाता है, और हर बच्चा जो है वो डिफरेंट टाइप से सीखता है. सो जस्ट द सेम दे डिडंट डू इट द वे देन. बट उस टाइम पे ऐसा नहीं होता था मार्गी. If you don't like it, यदि तू if you don't like it, if Margie don't like it, you do not have to read the book. Then you are not allowed to read the book. तो तुम्हें ये बुक नहीं पढ़नी चाहिए अगर तुम ये पसंद नहीं करते हो. Then Margie said, "What? I didn't say. I didn't like it. I didn't say. I am not saying this. I didn't like it." Margie said quickly. She wanted to read about those funny schools. She wanted to read more about those funny schools. Now our time school is funny school for Margie, and Margie is in 2157. After 150 in ago 157 years ago, she is speaking about our schools, funny schools. So she wanted to read about, and she wanted to read about that our schools. They were not even half finished when Margie mother called. They could not finish that book half. Then Margie's mother called, "Margie, school." Margie looked up. "Not yet, Mama." Then Margie looked up. She looked the time and then said, she looked the time and then she looked the clock and said, "No, Mama." Margie, "Not yet, Mama." Mama, अभी स्कूल का टाइम नहीं हुआ है. "Now." And Mrs. John said, Mrs. John, "Abhi," said Mrs. John. "And it is probably time for Tommy too." And tell to Tommy it is time for Tommy also. Margie said to Tommy, Margie Tommy को कहा, "Can I read the books some more with you after school?" So then he asked to Tommy, "Tommy, can we read that book again after school hours?" Then maybe he said non-gently, "Yes, we can." He walked away whistling, and he went away whistling. वो सीटी बजाते हुए वहां से निकल गया. The dusty old book tugged beneath his arm, and he put that book under his arms and went away. Margie went into the schoolroom. Margie went into the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom, and that mechanical teacher was on and waited for her. Margie went to the schoolroom. What was the schoolroom? A room next to her bedroom. वो वहाँ पे चली गई. And the mechanical teacher was on, and he on the mechanical teacher, he on the computer and waited for her, and she waited for her. उसने कंप्यूटर को ऑन किया, और कंप्यूटर को ऑन करके उसने कुछ टाइम के लिए वेट किया. It was always on, और वो हमेशा से ऐसे होता था. At the same time, हर रोज same time पे, every day, हर रोज, except Saturday and Sunday, 2 days in week. And what are these? Saturday and Sunday को छोड़ करके ये हर रोज उसी टाइम पे होता था. Because her mother said little girls learn better if they learn it regular hours. उसकी मम्मा कहती थी कि अगर छोटे बच्चों को, छोटी गर्ल्स को अगर रेगुलर पढ़ाया जाए तो वो अच्छे से सीख सकते हैं. The screen was lit up, and the screen was flashed, and it said, and the screen said, today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fraction. So today we are going to learn what addition of proper fractions. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. And she said, please put your work in the proper slot. Okay, that's it. Tomorrow we will learn more. We will read the rest part, and till then, have a good day. Thank you.